Welcome back, my YouTube family. This is Lindsay, and I have another non-phone data entry job lead for you. I know a lot of you are wanting something that is not on the phone. The links to apply are in the YouTube description box below, but if this is not something that you're looking for, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But today we have the company Zealous. They are hiring a data entry specialist. Now, this is full-time remote. I do believe this is only in the United States. But they are looking for someone to be responsible for entering medical claims forms, so this is medical data entry, into their in-house database, their vendor web tools, etc. You'll serve as a backup for converting documents to PDF files. You'll perform any other related responsibilities as assigned, and you'll maintain awareness to ensure you are adhering to the Zealous standards regarding the privacy policy. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. They do want someone who has a basic understanding of medical claims billing, someone who can be detail-oriented and is proficient at using a computer. Someone who has good attention to detail and will regularly attend and participate in departmental meetings. Now, one thing to note, this job did not list pay. That is always going to be dependent on location and experience and will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, for 2023, I am trying to change up the channel a little bit. I'm trying to bring you even more work from home job leads. So if you have any corrective criticism or anything you want to see me do differently with these job leads, please leave that in the comments below. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.